Today I'm going to demonstrate a cold dish called 蒜泥白肉. Suan actually is garlic. Ni means mud. What it does mean, you need to crush the garlic like mud. 白肉 means plain pork, no seasoning when you cook them. I boil them 30 minutes actually. I let them cool down and put in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Now I'm going to slice the pork. This is about 200 grams. To slice the pork. Three tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm going to prepare the cucumber for the 蒜泥白肉. Slice them thinly. Half teaspoon of the salt, sprinkle on top of this cucumber. See this cucumber, the water coming out. So I will squeeze out all the water and mix with the sliced pork. Now I'm just going to add this sliced cucumber. It's been set for a while. I just drizzle it on top of it. I'm going to write an article about it actually. Here are these two dishes. 蒜泥白肉 回锅肉 And 1,000 people used to teasing these northern people, you know, their garlic smell all the time. I'm a northern people, typical. My grandpa from Shandong province, so I like this dish. I don't care about raw garlic smell, and I'm not going anywhere after I eat it. Yeah, that's all for today. Actually, we're going to eat these two dishes with steamed rice for our dinner. And remember to check my website, easychinese.com. I'm going to provide all the recipes for these dishes. And also, I'm going to provide the links for the essential utensils to cook Chinese dishes, and also the essential ingredients, the seasoning. That's all for today. Bye bye.